Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix FPS drop on Roblox. If you're experiencing FPS drop on Roblox, then that means the game is running slower than usual and the frame rate has also been decreased. If you're walking through this issue, then it can be pretty much frustrating. So in order to fix that issue, here are some troubleshooting methods you can follow. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're watching us for the first time, and also make sure to press the bell icon so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're going through the FPS drop issue on Roblox application, then make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and after you have the stable internet connection, you might be able to fix the issue. If that still doesn't work, then the next thing to do is to check if your Roblox application is updated to the latest version. Open up your App Store or your Play Store and search Roblox into the search box. Once you do that, make sure to tap on the update button if available in order to update your application. Once you update your app, you can tap open the app and make sure to check if the problem still persists. You can also try lowering the graphics settings from your Roblox game. While on a game, go and tap on the Roblox icon at the top left and tap on Settings. From the Settings menu, scroll down to Graphic Mode and set it to Manual. Now, decrease the graphic quality by pressing the minus button right next to graphic quality. After lowering your graphics setting, you might be able to fix the issue. But if the problem still persists, then the next thing to do is to delete your Roblox application from your mobile device. Hold the app icon and tap on Remove App. Tap the Delete App button and tap on Delete one more time in order to delete Roblox application. Once you are done deleting the app, get back to your Play Store or your App Store and re-download the application again. Once you are done installing the app, tap on Open to open the app, log into your Roblox account as well, and try playing a game to see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're not being able to play Roblox games since you are going through the FPS drop issue. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.